Alright, here's just a quick little video to kind of help out our mass folders here that's going on, and it's going to be so large we won't be able to find anything in a couple of weeks. So what we want to do is create one folder. See, I have my little folder here, and we put everything in it. Okay, so the easiest way to do that is I want to go out here, and I'm going to go down and scroll down. Keep scrolling. There's probably an easy way to do this, like type in the name or something, but okay. So here I am down here, and sorry, I'm going to remove you so I can show you again. Okay, so I'm going to use Mr. Schwartz here as a guinea pig. Thanks, Mr. Schwartz. So I'm going to go up here to Master Packet. About the easiest way, so you don't put a folder inside of a folder, all that kind of fun stuff. But just click on the Master Packet, hit on New Folder, or click New Folder, and then put your name in here. Okay, just like that. Make sure I spelled everything right. Yep. I'm going to hit Create, and it's going to create a folder. So if you notice right there, there's my folder. Then what I want to do is copy these, all the weeks, into my one main folder. So I just have one main folder out there. Okay, so I'm going to click on, I'm going to hold down the Control button, select all these, and I should be able to just take it, click on it again, and then just drag it in there. You'll notice how they all kind of group together, and drop it in there. Okay, and it'll say moving these items with everyone can be shared, folder Schwartz M. Okay, so I'll just say okay, and then if I click on that, they should all be in there. Okay, so there's all the files in one spot. So it's going to kind of clean that up a little bit, make it look nice.